How to transfer Sweetcoin to Sweet Wallet. Transferring Sweetcoin to Sweet Wallet is a process that involves moving your accumulated Sweetcoins from the Sweatcoin app to Sweet Wallet, which is a digital wallet designed especially for managing Sweetcoin and potentially other cryptocurrency. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So before you transfer Sweetcoin, you need to ensure that you have a Sweet Wallet set up. First of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. If you haven't downloaded this Sweet app on your device, just search for the Sweet Wallet app here. Once you have searched for the Sweet Wallet app, if you have already installed this, just go and tap on the Open option. Once you have opened up the app, you have to go for the sign up for a new account. If you have already an account, you can log in with your existing credential here. So once you are on your Sweet Wallet app here, you have to look for an option. You have to go to your profile or setting and tap on your profile here, which is on the top left corner. Once you have tap on your profile here, just go to your setting menu within the Sweetcoin app here. Just go and select this setting menu. Once you are here, you have to look for an option related to linking or connecting your Sweet Wallet, which will be under the wallet withdraw or setting here. Just go and search for here. You can see here. You have to follow the on-screen instruction to connect your Sweet Wallet to Sweetcoin account, which might involve entering your wallet address or scanning a QR code. Once your Sweet Wallet is linked, you can proceed to transfer your Sweetcoin. On your Sweetcoin app, you have to go to the wallet or account section of the Sweetcoin app where your Sweetcoin balance is displayed here. You have to look for the option to withdraw or transfer Sweetcoin here. Just go and see the option to withdraw here. Once you have find that option, you have to input the amount of your Sweetcoin you want to transfer to your Sweet Wallet. You have to verify the details of the transfer, including the amount and the designated. After that, you have to complete any required authentication step, which could include entering a code sent to your email or phone number or using a password. And after that, you have to confirm and submit the transfer request. And you have to verify the transfer. You have to launch the Sweet Wallet app and navigate to your balance section, and you have to search for the transaction history section to confirm that you have got the Sweetcoin deposited in your account. By following this step, you will be able to successfully transfer Sweetcoin to your Sweet Wallet. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.